Welcome to the ESL.Institute podcast, the podcast that is helping adult English learners across America speak, read, write, and live with greater confidence every single day. In each podcast episode, we explore the topics that matter most to you as an English learner, from pronunciation and vocabulary to workplace communication and American culture, to emotional intelligence, community life, health, real estate, and so much more. Our podcast was built on one belief: that adult learners deserve rich, real, and respectful educational content. Content that treats you as the intelligent, capable person you already are. Whether you are brand new to English, working to improve your skills for a better job, or building the life you imagined when you came to this country, every episode is designed for you. So listen on your way to work. Listen at home. Listen again. Because every time you listen, you are one step closer to the fluent, confident English speaker you are becoming. Free adult ESL classes are available at community colleges and adult schools near you. This podcast is your classroom without walls. This is the ESL.Institute podcast, brought to you by Sersea Podcasts, a network of educational podcasts for English learners. Let's begin.
Tenacity and task completion. Tenacity means sticking with something until it is done, not giving up halfway, not leaving assignments unfinished, not quitting when things get difficult. Task completion is a skill, a habit, and a character trait that separates successful people from unsuccessful ones. In this episode, you will learn why finishing what you start is so important and how to develop the mental strength to see every task through to the end. Article: Finish what you start. The power of follow-through. There is a phrase in American culture that captures something essential about success: finish what you start. It sounds simple, but for many students, especially those juggling work, family, language barriers, and exhaustion, completing every assignment, every chapter, and every course feels like climbing a mountain with no clear summit. Yet research is unambiguous. Task completion is one of the strongest predictors of long-term achievement. Students who finish their work, even imperfectly, learn more, retain more, and advance faster than students who leave work half done. This is not merely about grades. It is about the habit of completion, which transfers to every area of life. The person who finishes their English homework is also more likely to finish their job applications, their professional training, and their long-term career goals. Tenacity, stubborn, relentless persistence in the face of difficulty, is what makes completion possible. Psychologist Angela Duckworth calls this quality grit. In her research, she found that grit, more than IQ, talent, or opportunity, predicts who succeeds in challenging endeavors. You do not have to be the most gifted English learner in your class. You have to be the most tenacious. How do you build tenacity? Start with small victories. Choose one task, one small assignment, and finish it completely before moving on. Then do it again and again. Each completed task reinforces the neural pathway that says, I finish what I start. Over time, This pathway becomes a highway, and completion becomes automatic. Also, recognize the enemy, perfectionism. Many students leave work unfinished because they fear it is not good enough. But a completed imperfect assignment teaches you far more than an abandoned perfect one. Done is better than perfect. Start. Finish. Submit. Grow. Key vocabulary. Tenacity. The quality of being very determined and persistent in achieving a goal. Her tenacity in finishing every assignment helped her become the top student in her class. Completion. The act of finishing something fully and successfully. Completion of every exercise in the textbook built his English skills steadily. Grit. Passion and perseverance for long-term goals, especially through difficulty. He showed real grit by studying English every night, even after 12-hour work shifts. Perfectionism. The belief that nothing is good enough unless it is completely perfect. Perfectionism kept her from submitting her writing because she was never satisfied. Follow through. The act of completing a plan or task that you started. Follow through is what separates people who dream from people who achieve. 5 practical tips. 1. When you start an assignment, write the deadline at the top and commit to finishing before that time. 2. If a task feels overwhelming, break it into 3 smaller steps and complete them one at a time. 3. Do not skip questions on a worksheet or test. Attempt every item, even if you are unsure. Trying is learning. 4. After finishing any task, take a moment to acknowledge what you accomplished. Say to yourself, I finished this. 5. Never leave class without understanding what is due next time. Write it down so you can plan accordingly.
And that is our episode for today. Thank you for listening and for choosing to invest in yourself. Every minute you spent with us just now is a minute you used to grow. That is not a small thing. That is everything. Before the next episode, here is your challenge. Take one idea, one word, one phrase from today, and use it. Say it out loud. Write it down. Use it in a conversation. That is how language becomes yours. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend, a classmate, a coworker, or anyone who is on their English learning journey. Learning is always stronger when we do it together. And if you are not yet enrolled in a free adult ESL class at your local community college or adult school, today is a great day to sign up. This podcast will be right there beside you every step of the way. Remember, fluency is not a finish line. It is a way of living. And every episode you listen to, every chapter you study, every word you practice, that is your path. Keep walking it. This has been the ESL.Institute podcast, brought to you by Sersea Podcasts, a network of educational podcasts for English learners. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep growing.